10 amazing facts about Jennifer Wingate. First, Jennifer Wingate is an Indian actress and television host. Second, Jennifer Wingate was born on 30 May 1985 in Gurgaon, Mumbai, India. Third, she attended St. Xavier High School in Mumbai for her schooling and later graduated with a BCom degree from K.J. Somaiya Junior College of Science and Commerce, also in Mumbai. Fourth, Jennifer Wingate began her career as a child actor in the movie Akele Hum, Akele Tum, 1995. Fifth, following that, she appeared in Raja Ko Rani Se Pyar Ho Gaya and played a supporting role in Kuch Na Kaho alongside Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Sixth, her journey in the television industry started with Shakalaka Boom Boom in 2002. Seventh, she gained popularity with the show Kartika, where she portrayed the role of a struggling singer. Eighth, Jennifer continued to showcase her talent in various shows, including Koi Dil Mein Hai and Kasoti Zindagi Ke, where she played Sneha, the daughter of the lead actor. Ninth, Jennifer Wingate got married to Karan Singh Grover on 9th April 2012. Unfortunately, they decided to part ways in November 2014. 10th, in 2013, she took on the role of Kumud Desai in the show Saraswati Chandra, directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Subscribe the channel.